Yeah, it's on.
Whoa, what the hell? There's something in my back. She said, what is this? Oh, you. Hey. Coco was not sure what's going on. Hey. Let me see who's who. That's Pika.
Yeah, that one's
This is-
Pika.
Oh, gosh.
She's enormous.
Hey, Pika. How's Pika? Hey, how's Pika? How's Pika? How's Pika? You remember me? Huh? How's Pika? How's Pika? Oh,
Hi.
you two, you don't know me, huh? Huh? How's Pika? Huh? Coco was overwhelmed. Coco, what's going on? She wants to...
I think she must use the bathroom.
Do you like to take off shoes?
No. Well, no one's barking yet, so that's good. You can't even see Coco because her carpet is dark.
Mhm.